Intermediate Sight Distance ISD. Intermediate sight distance is the provided only when other type of sight distances are not able to be provided. Means when there is shortage of land or shortage of overtaking sight distances at that places, intermediate sight distance is provided or intermediate sight distances are provided. Due to this reason, intermediate sight distance is provided instead of overtaking sight distance. Now, in this diagram, intermediate sight distances are given. Consider for blue vehicle. This is the intersection of two roads. From this intersection to blue vehicle, this is a blue vehicle and this is intersection. Consider leg A and from this intersection to uh, red vehicle, consider leg B. Now for blue vehicle, from from blue vehicle to this intersection, this distance will be stopping side distance for blue vehicle, and similarly from this red vehicle to this intersection, this distance will be stopping side distance for vehicle red vehicle. So addition of these two distances gives the intermediate side distance. Means from this blue vehicle up to this red vehicle, this is the entire distance gives the intermediate side distance. I already told you the distance from blue vehicle to intersection, that distance is stopping side distance for blue vehicle. For red vehicle, distance from intersection to red vehicle, this distance is stopping side distance for vehicle red. The addition of these two stopping side distances gives the intermediate side distance. Means measure the intermediate side distance from this uh, blue vehicle up to this red vehicle, and this distance gives intermediate side distance. Means intermediate side distance equal to twice the stopping side distance. Means addition of stopping side distance for leg B and leg A. This is the addition of these both legs, and that distance gives the intermediate side distance. One more definition of stopping intermediate side distance is that the distance which affords a reasonable opportunity to driver to overtake the vehicle ahead with caution is called as intermediate side distance, and intermediate side distance is taken as twice the stopping side distance. While calculating the side distances for different criteria for different side distances such as stopping side distance, overtaking side distance, intermediate size distance. Height of a driver and height of obstruction are different. Means for calculation of stopping side distance, height of driver I above the road surface is considered as 1.2 meter. This is the 1.2 meter for stopping side distance. And for stopping side distance, height of obstruction above the road surface is considered as 15 centimeter, means 0.15 meter height of obstruction. Similarly, for overtaking side distance and intermediate side distance, height of driver is considered as 1.2 meter above the road surface, and height of obstruction considered as 1.2 meter also. These are the heights of drivers and height of obstruction considered for calculation of stopping side distance and overtaking side distance and intermediate side distance. Why these intermediate side distances are provided? Because there is shortage or insufficient land available, and also there is insufficient side distance available on a road. Due to this reason, instead of overtaking side distance at that place, provided intermediate side distance. Next, headlight side distance. The distance which is visible to a driver when driving during the night under the effect of illuminated headlights of the vehicle is called as headlight side distance. Generally, headlight side distance is is considered as equal to stopping side distance, means HSD, headlight stopping side distance, equal to stopping side distance. Suppose this is the vehicle moving during the night time, and whatever the distance covered by headlight on the road, that covered distance on the road is called as headlight side distance. Take one more example. This is the hilly portion and this is the vehicle. This vehicle during the night time using the headlight, and due to headlight the driver cover the some side distance on a road. Whatever the intensity of light covered the distance over the road, that covered distance is the headlight side distance. This is the headlight applying their focus, and this focus beyond the road surface, we only covering this road surface by using headlight. This distance will be the headlight side distance, because headlight extended beyond this point, but that particular light not over the road, that light on the other part instead of road surface. This light portion not covering the road length or road surface. Due to this, we cannot consider this distance as a headlight side distance, only covering uh, whatever the distance covered by headlight on the road, actual on the road, that distance we are covering as a headlight side distance. Means definition of headlight side distance will be the distance which is visible to a driver when driving during the night under the effect of illuminated headlights of vehicle is called as headlight side distance, and headlight side distance is considered is equal to stopping side distance. One more definition of a lateral side distance. This is the last side distance, lateral side distance. The distance needed by driver of vehicle who see another vehicles approaching the intersection. Driver reacts and applies the brake to bring his vehicle to the dead stop at the intersection without collision or accident is called as safe side distance or lateral side distance. Suppose two vehicles are coming toward the intersection. Take example here. These are the two vehicles, blue bus or uh, blue vehicle and red vehicle coming toward the intersection. To stop the vehicle at a particular point or near the intersection without collision, for stopping the vehicle some distance or some pace available to driver or some distance needed to driver or some distance required by driver to stop the their vehicle, that distance near the approaching intersection is called as lateral side distance. Why this distance is required? Because this distance is required to bring his vehicle to stop at the intersection without any collision or accident is called as side distance or lateral side distance. For a particular blue vehicle, this from intersection to this blue vehicle means leg A will be the uh, lateral side distance or safe side distance at intersection. For red vehicle, from intersection to this red bus or red vehicle will be the lateral side distance. This distance generally measured at or counted at approaching the intersection. At this place, driver reacts and applies the brakes of his vehicle to stop at the intersection without any collision or accident is called as lateral side distance or safe side distance at intersection. Lateral side distance should be sufficient to enable the both or at least one approaching vehicles to change their speed to avoid collision, and also to bring at least one or both approaching vehicle to stop before the reaching point of collision. For this purpose, lateral side distance at approaching intersection is required. These are the total 5 types of side distances: with stopping side distance, overtaking sight distance, intermediate sight distance, headlight stop sight distance, and last one lateral sight distance. These are the total types of sight distances. We have I covered these five types of sight distances in previous lecture and in this lecture. Thank you.